Conversation between two friends after going to the park. Hi, Holly.
Hello, Sarah.
I called you yesterday, but you didn't answer my phone.
Because I forgot my phone at home. And I went to the park yesterday.
Did you go there alone?
No. I went there with my daughter and my husband.
Wow. But which park did you go to?
We went to the Marin National Park.
But it is far away from your home.
Yes. You were right. But my daughter wanted to go there. Because there is a beach too.
Oh. How did you go there?
We went there by car.
Wow. What did you see there?
First, we parked our car in the parking area. Then, we walked on the beach. I was surprised to see many people walking barefoot on the beach.
There are many benefits of walking barefoot on the beach.
Do you know about that?
I know many benefits.
Could you please tell me some of them?
Why not? Walking or running on the sand burns 50% more calories. Walking barefoot on the sand is a free foot massage. It also improves energy levels. It reduces arthritis pain.
Wow. It has a lot of benefits.
Yes. There would be a lot of kids, right?
Many teenagers were playing cricket on the beach. Seeing him playing cricket, my husband also felt like playing cricket.
Did he go to play?
No, he didn't. Because playing cricket takes a lot of time.
Did your daughter enjoy there?
Yes. She enjoyed a lot. She was also running and jumping barefoot on the sand. She made me run with her too.
It is so funny. Didn't she play with slides?
She also played with slides. But the slide was rusty and had many small holes. Because of that, her pants got torn.
That is too bad.
Things in the park need to repair. Children's playthings need to be added more. Still, we had a lot of fun there. My daughter was very happy. And I was happy too.
What time did you come back home?
We came back home around 8 o'clock in the night.
You had a great day yesterday.
You are absolutely right.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share my video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.